Food here at Univ, the hall food's really good.
There's breakfast, lunch and dinner every day, except on weekends when there's brunch, which is a huge fry-up, and they have pastries and porridge, and it's really yummy.
We have huge lunches and huge dinners.
It's mainly about portion size, and the lasagna, they do a nice big portion, so I like it when they do the lasagna.
A lot of people complain that the portions are too big, and I haven't had that issue. So yeah, you can now get half portions, so they really do listen to what students have to say.
They also do things like sandwiches as well, so if you've got stuff you need to do or you can't be in hall long enough to eat the hot food, you can go and grab something.
There's always a salad bar, there's like yogurts and cakes and cookies, which are amazing. There are some rules in our rooms. So for example, you're not allowed to have cooking equipment like toasters and stuff, but it's fine because in each building there are small kitchens where there'll usually be a toaster, a microwave, and some sort of fridge. I mean, you get your own personal fridge in your bedroom anyway, so things like yogurts and milk. You can have cereal in your bedroom in the morning.
We've also learnt that quick cook pasta you can cook with just a kettle in your room, so it's amazing. You don't even have to go down to the kitchen.
Vicky's really, really good at cooking cake. She made a banana cake last week, and my boyfriend loves it.
My girlfriend's vegetarian, so we do a nice mushroom risotto. Great. The first time you go into hall is a massive big building with high ceilings and stained glass windows and wooden panelling up the sides, portraits of loads of important looking people, and you're a bit taken aback, but then after a week it just becomes normal because you're eating in there 2 or 3 times a day, every day.
Sounds cliche, but it is very Harry Potter.
If you imagine the place where Dumbledore was staying, that's basically the high table.
3 times a week they also have formal hall, and you sit down and it's a 3-course meal and you wear your gowns.
The formal hall is one of the best things about Oxford. It's a great way of meeting people and talking with other years and just socialize outside your subject year and outside your year group.
It's a really nice opportunity just to sit down, have a meal, forget the craziness of everything else that's going on, and just catch up with people.